If you're interested in architecture and model making, the Warner Brothers Studio Tour in Watford, outside London, is a wonderful place to visit. In addition to a lot of other reasons to visit the Making of Harry Potter experience, the art department section of the tour, with its technical drawings and white card models, is amazing. Here you can see detailed miniature versions of many of the great Harry Potter locations, topped by the amazing detailed Hogwarts castle model, built for the first film, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, made by a team of 86 artists. In this video, we show some of these great miniatures, ending up with Hogwarts Castle. And to our younger generation planning their future, this video shows a great example of a different and exciting way to use an architecture education. For more inspiring architecture videos, visit allthegoodies.com and our YouTube channel, All the Goodies. Please subscribe to All the Goodies by pressing our logo.